This next one here, lady, says her crawl space is stinky. So I'm gonna crawl up under there and see if I can see some rotted pipes or whatever. She says she's seen some black water in there too. So yeah, I'm gonna go crawl under there and see if I can find anything. Yeah, this is definitely sewer water. Hey, what's going on, Chuck? This is definitely sewer water in this crawl space. I can see they replaced like most of the drains under here, but they just left the risers. Now the risers are leaking, and there's a lot of room in here, but it's all sewer water under here. I would say they need to make a claim.
I can. Can you fix it?
Broken sewer pipe in the crawl space.
Can you write that down for me? Because I can't remember now. Okay.
It's a lot of water, and it's coming from whenever they flush the toilet or whenever they run the tub or any of that. Okay. I told her I could fix that for $1,200, but she's gonna have to get somebody to come suck all that sewer water and stuff out of there. That's gonna cost a small fortune. Hopefully she doesn't have a crummy insurance company and they help her pay for that. But yeah, when I find out, I'll let you know.